Hey, what's going on? Chris Orzakowski from the emailcopywriter.com here. I wanted to do this quick little video because everyone's talking about this ChatGPT software for writing copy and other things as well, obviously. But I wanted to just do a little tutorial, show you how it works, and then show you kind of the pros and cons, the advantages and disadvantages of using this kind of an approach for writing copy. Because there's a lot of copywriters out there who are worried. They're like, oh my God, this software is going to take our job. They took our jobs, But we'll take a look and get to the bottom of that too. Okay, so obviously there's a lot of stuff you can search for, but I'm mostly interested in having it generate text. So for instance, like write a sales letter for a can of Coca-Cola, because I'm drinking a Coke Zero right now. So all you gotta do is just start with, write a blah, 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 like whatever you're trying to write, whatever you're trying to work on. So again, I'm going to do all hypothetical examples, and then I might even pull some of my client stuff in. We'll see what it comes up with, but let's take a look. So all you do is pop this in, and then you can just hit enter. Takes a few seconds, and let's see what it comes up with. All right, any moment now. This might be a long form letter. I guess we're going to have to wait and see. I wonder if it's going to have anything at all. Oh, dear valued customer, are you in need of a refreshing, thirst-quenching beverage? Look no further than a can of Coca-Cola. For over 130 years, Coca-Cola has been the world's favorite soft drink. It's the perfect blend of sweet, caramel-flavored syrup and carbonated water, making it the ultimate refreshment on a hot summer day or after a long workout. But Coca-Cola is more than just a tasty drink. It's also a symbol of happiness and togetherness. Whether you're enjoying a can with friends at a barbecue or sipping one on your own, Coca-Cola brings people together and brings a smile to your face. So why not grab a can of Coca-Cola today and experience the refreshment and joy that it brings? You won't be disappointed. Sincerely, your name. Okay, so that's the copy it came up with. Now, this isn't terrible, right? Like, it's obviously, it's copy. It's good structure. It's got good sales letter, for like a super short form, like a, one-page, half-page letter. It definitely ticks all the boxes. Like you would read this and say, okay, this is copy. This is copy selling a product. Is this effective? I don't know. It depends. I think what these softwares are good for is they're good for generating a bunch of ideas really fast. But obviously this is a hypothetical example, but if you were going to take this and run this as an ad, I mean, it might work okay if you have an exceptionally good offer and the copy isn't really a big issue. But if you're in the business where you need excellent copy, I wouldn't describe this as excellent copy. This is kind of generic. This is okay, this is what it is, this is what it does. When you look at Coca-Cola's advertising, and obviously they're, 130-year-old brand, big brand advertising, one of the biggest companies in the world. They just lead with emotion. This is kind of like, hey, do you need a refreshing, thirst-quenching beverage? They don't go that on the nose with their advertising. They go with appealing to emotions, and there's a reason for that because that's what works best. So, this piece of copy doesn't really do that, And again, not that Coca-Cola will be writing sales letters, but let's just start with that example. Let's go to something else. Let's say write a sales email for Carnivore Snacks. Now, Carnivore Snacks is one of my clients. I actually want to see what they come up with because I've written a number of emails for them. Let's see what they got. Give it a second. So, okay, this is funny. Hello there. Are you looking for a protein-packed snack that will satisfy your cravings and fuel your body? Carnivore Snacks, the perfect snack for meat lovers. So, it's almost very similar to the Coca-Cola one and completely different types of products, right? Carnivore Snacks is made from 100% grass-fed beef, packed with protein and flavor. Each bite is bursting with savory mouthwater and goodness that will keep you satisfied for hours. Whether you're hitting the gym or just need a quick pick-me-up, Carnivore Snacks has got you covered. But don't take our word for it. Try Carnivore Snacks for yourself and taste the difference. We're confident that you'll love the delicious flavor and high-quality ingredients that go into every bag. So why not give Carnivore Snacks a try? Your taste buds and your muscles will thank you. It's funny because I know that they're pulling in little pieces of copy that I've written from the website and from the emails and things like that. Which is interesting. It's interesting to notice, small little pieces bursting with savory, mouthwatering goodness, like that might be verbatim from the site of copy that I wrote. So like that tells me, okay, if you are a new brand and have no copy whatsoever about your brand, then you're going to have to rely on what other brands have, and you're essentially going to be copying what other brands have. So like obviously the big thing with both of these ads is they're completely devoid of voice, right? And this is the big thing that I talk about when I'm talking about AI copywriting softwares. It's like, yeah, I mean, it's really awesome we were able to generate that within, I don't know, what was that, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, whatever that is. Like, that's really cool that we could do that. But at the same time, like, there's no soul behind this. Like, there's no voice. Like, if I want to put this in the Carnivore Snacks voice, I got to rewrite this whole thing. And for me, personally, I know not everyone is like this, but I write so fast that it's almost faster for me to just write a new piece of copy than to try to rewrite and edit an existing piece of copy. Now, I don't know if everyone's like that. I'm probably the exception, not the rule, right? There's probably more people who would rather just edit an existing piece, but I would rather just crank out a new piece because I could just write so much faster than having to go and nitpick line by line. So it's just funny to see, like, you know, two different examples, how it starts off, and who knows, like maybe they'll dial it in. Like I don't know exactly how the nuance of how all the stuff works on the back end. I'm not a coder, like I don't get all that stuff. But as I'm looking at this, like, okay, yes, this is another piece of copy. It is technically a piece of copy. Would I run this as an ad, or would I send this as an email? Probably not, right? Because again, if I was to take this to the Carnivore Snacks list and send it out, they'd be like, what the hell is this? They'd be like, this is so different than what you guys normally send out. There's no story behind it, right? Like if I want to tell a story about, you know, what was going on, or like let's say I'm writing for Mark or for Sylvia, and they were just at a big event and they want to tell a story of something funny that happened at the event that relates back to the brand Carnivore Snacks, and AI is not ever going to be able to do that. My son just woke up. Let me clip this 1 second. All right, I'm back. Got my son out of the crib. We're good to go. Okay, so as I was saying, you know, let's try like one or two more pieces. Write a product description for Carnivore Snacks. Let's see which product. CarnivoreSnacks.com. They just redid their website. They got great stuff. What was a good one? I'm curious to see what comes up here. Let's do the brisket one. So here is the brisket. Where the hell is it? Okay, so they used to have long form descriptions. I might have to go. Let me pause this for 1 second. All right, and we're back. Okay, so Carnivore Snacks just redid their website, so the product descriptions kind of got like bumped out. So I want to show you the old one that we did, and I want to show you that my agency did. So we did this product description. I want to see what ChatGPT comes up with. So pork loin. Write a product description for Carnivore Snacks pork loin. Now, while it's doing that, I'm going to pull this up. So pork loin is kind of like that X you swear you've gotten over, but still text at 2 a.m. every single time you have too many drinks. It's your dirty little secret. You know you miss them deep down your loins. Yes, we made that pun. You might not believe it, but pork loin is most people's sneaky favorite Carnivore Snacks cut. It makes sense because it's a rich, fatty cut of meat with a deep, velvety, bacon-esque flavor profile. Take a moment and wipe that drool from your mouth before continuing. Okay, so like, that's the vibe of this one, right? Let's see what it comes up with. Introducing Carnivore Snacks pork loin, the perfect snack for meat lovers who are looking for a high-protein, delicious treat. Our pork loin snacks are made from premium cuts of pork loin, slow smoked to perfection for a bold, savory flavor that will satisfy your cravings. So, like, anyone could have written this. Like, I mean, sorry, let me rephrase that. This could be any brand. Like, yes, it says Carnivore Snacks, but, like, that sounds like every generic product that you see everywhere. Anyone who sells meat, anyone who sells any kind of pork meat product or beef jerky, like, that's what it sounds like. So, yeah, I mean, it can generate copy effortlessly with one question in seconds, but I wouldn't run this for my brand. You know what I mean? Let's continue. Each bag of Carnivore Snacks pork loin is packed with 15 grams of protein, making it the perfect snack to fuel your active lifestyle. Whether you're hitting the gym, hiking a trail, or just need a quick pick-me-up, our pork loin snacks are sure to hit the spot. You can say this about protein bars. You can say this about energy drinks. You can say this about everything, right? Like, there's no like differentiation as far as I'm concerned between this. Like, this is just generic, like the most ultra generic templated copy. So again, like, if that's what you're into, cool, okay, then you found your tool. But I don't know. Like, let's just read the rest. Don't take our word for it. Try Carnivore Snacks pork loin for yourself and taste the difference. We're confident that you will love the bold flavor and high-quality ingredients that go in every bag. So why not grab a bag today and experience the deliciousness of Carnivore Snacks pork loin? Your taste buds and muscles will thank you. So, again, like, it's the same line here, right? So, again, like I said, I don't know the nuance that goes into the coding that develops all of these things, and who knows, maybe it'll get better. And I'm not trying to, like, poo-poo this, because, like, can this be a useful tool? Absolutely. A lot of people are finding a lot of cool, different, use cases for this kind of thing, and they're figuring out like cool little tricks you could do, like using it as a search engine, for instance. But like when it comes to writing copy, I mean, maybe there's different softwares out there that produce a better result. Let's try one more thing. Give me 20 taglines. Like, this is what it might be used for. Let's see this. 20 taglines for Carnivore Snacks. Let's see what it comes up with. So, like, it might be useful for this kind of thing, but, like, hey, write me an email, write me an ad. I don't know. Like, you could try it, like, you'll get copy out of it, but I just don't know if I would, let's see, meet your new favorite snack. Fuel your wild side with Carnivore Snacks. Satisfy your hunger with the power of protein. Like, that could be a tagline for anything, not just Carnivore Snacks. So again, like, if you're using this, right, that's the scary thing. Like, if you're relying on AI copy machine like this, there might be 30, 40, 100, 500, 1,000 people who are going to have the same exact tagline as you because they got it from an AI. You know what I'm saying? Snack like a carnivore, feel like a champion. Meat snacks that satisfy your cravings for your body. The snack that's packed with protein and flavor. That doesn't say anything, So again, like, could this spark some new ideas? I guess so. Maybe there's utility in that. And again, I'm not trying to, like, be the Debbie Downer of the AI copywriting party, but someone's got to be a little bit, Like, I got to kind of bring people back to earth. So I don't know. If you have other uses for this, or you think that there's a better search terminologies that I could use or something, feel free to drop a comment. I'm happy to keep exploring this and make some follow-ups and see if we can get this thing working. Because I would love to actually get this working. It would be cool to get this working and have it as a, excuse me, as like a really cool, tool to help generate ideas for copywriters. But as of now, I'm just not super impressed with it. So we'll just keep an eye out, see how it develops. But again, if you're one of those people who's worried, like, oh my God, I'm a copywriter, and now there's these softwares going to they took our jobs. Like, I don't think it's going to take your job. I think you're going to be okay. It's not going to take your job unless you write copy like this, which is very lackluster. So, the solution is write better copy and just keep on kicking ass. So, all right, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this one. See you soon.